guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best MacBook accessories. I've made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the MacBook accessories in the video, just subscribe, leave a comment with the hidden word in the video, and join our community Telegram channel linked in the description. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best MacBook accessories on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the BELKIN Boost Up Charge Dual Wall Charger. This BELKIN wall charger has a duo of USB-C ports, so it's more versatile than a standard MacBook charger that you're used to. With a maximum power output of 68 watts, it's probably faster too. Available in black or white, the charger is compact, yet insanely powerful, thanks to the gallium nitride used in its making. The cutting-edge semiconductor material allows the accessory to deliver fast charging speeds without overheating. Number 9. ANKER USB-C to USB Adapter. ANKER's USB-C to USB adapter is a simple but essential MacBook accessory. The insanely affordable gadget will allow you to connect your older USB-A accessories to any MacBook, and its aluminum housing is a perfect match for the notebook. Plus, its impulse buy price will even get you a pair of adapters. Coming at number 8, BELLROY Desk Pouch. The BELLROY Desk Pouch is elegant and versatile. It has enough storage space to fit all the essential accessories for your MacBook. This includes a charger, a storage drive, a battery pack, various cables, and even a pair of headphones or earbuds, to name a few. We like that the accessory can stand upright when it's open or closed. It has a water-resistant fabric exterior with excellent tactility and a reliable zipper closure. Coming at number 7, OWC ENVOY Pro ELEKTRON Portable SSD. The ENVOY Pro Portable SSD by OWC is one of our favorite MacBook accessories, not only for its super fast data transfer speeds, but also its design. The product's insanely elegant aluminum housing is a perfect match for the MacBook Zone. To top things off, the ENVOY Pro is dust and waterproof, with an IP67 rating. You can order the drive with up to 2 TB of storage. OWC backs it with a 3-year warranty. Number 6. Beats Flex Wireless Earbuds. The insanely affordable Beats Flex wireless neckband earbuds will seamlessly connect your MacBook or any other Apple gadget you own. Available in black, blue, gray, or yellow, the colorful buds are lightweight, super comfy, and capable of delivering the brand's signature sound for up to 12 hours in between charges. Rather conveniently, the Flex earphones have a USB-C charging input, just like your MacBook. Coming at number 5, SATECHI USB-C Charging Cable. The USB-C cable by SATECHI is an excellent alternative, the one that comes bundled with your MacBook. Its braided nylon exterior is cool-looking and rugged. Its metal connector housings, on the other hand, are tailor-made for the notebook. The cable comes with a handy strap for length management and storage. It measures 6.6 feet, 2 meters in length, so it's plenty versatile. This compact and fast SATECHI charger is a perfect match for it. Coming in number 4, WOOLNUT Leather and Wool MacBook Sleeve 13-inch. Designed in Sweden, this beautiful MacBook sleeve by WOOLNUT is crafted from genuine, full-grain leather, so it's durable as it is luxurious. It will also develop a unique patina over time. The accessory has a soft, wool-felt interior lining to protect the notebook from scratches, along with a sturdy magnetic closure. The leather sleeve is available for all MacBook screen sizes in black, brown, and green. Number 3. Allsop Digital Innovations Screen Doctor Professional Screen Cleaning Kit. This pro-grade screen cleaning kit will keep the display of your MacBook and every other gadget you own spotless. The liquid is safe for all screens, while a bundled antimicrobial microfiber cloth ensures that you will always make the most of every spray. There are several Screen Doctor bottle sizes to pick from. I especially like that every bottle has a handy storage area for the cleaning cloth to help ensure that you won't lose it. Coming at number 2, SCANDISK Ultra Dual Drive LUXE USB Flash Drive. This sleek USB flash drive by SanDisk is a reasonably priced product with a metal build that suits the MacBook perfectly. Equipped with a USB-C and USB-A connectors, the accessory can easily transfer files between your MacBook and any other computer. You can order the USB stick with up to 1 TB of storage, and SanDisk backs its creation with an amazing 5-year warranty. Number 1. SATECHI Aluminum Multi-Port Adapter V2 USB-C Hub. This multi-port USB-C hub by SATECHI is a must-have MacBook accessory for hooking up external devices to your laptop. It has 3 USB 3.0 ports, a USB-C connector for charging, an HDMI input, and a gigabit Ethernet port. Available in silver, gold, or space gray. The sleek gadget features both a microSD and a full SD card reader. We think this is the best laptop USB-C hub available today. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best MacBook accessories. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.